it's Supreme Guru here, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the screen gestures on the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 5T. So, if this is something that you're interested in, stay tuned to this video. Okay guys, so basically if you own a OnePlus 5 or OnePlus 5T, you can get it to do screen gestures on your phone with a few different options. So I'm going to go to my settings, and then I'm going to go to gestures, and we're going to go through these step by step. So the top one here where it says fingerprint gesture. So if you've got your fingerprint sensor set up, I don't. Basically you can get it to do different things, but I will go through them anyway. So the first thing is swipe a fingerprint for notifications. So basically if you slide down on your fingerprint sensor, it will basically do this. And if you swipe back up again, it will do that. So it's handy enough if you use your fingerprint sensor. Also, another one that you can do is long press to take a photo. So basically whenever you're in your camera, you can long press on your fingerprint sensor and it will take a photo. So basically, just to show you, again I don't have it set up, but basically if I long pressed on my fingerprint sensor, it would take a photo of this. Let's go back. Okay, so this is some system gestures. So the top one here is flip to mute. So if you flip the device on an incoming call, it will mute it. So basically if I had that switched on and I got an incoming call, didn't want to listen to the ringtone, maybe I was in a meeting or whatnot, then I could just flip my phone down and it would silence my call. The next thing in this system gestures is the 3-finger screenshot. So swipe with 3 fingers on the screen to take a screenshot. So let's test that out. 3, there we go, that's took a screenshot. Very easy to do. I keep that option on. The next thing then is whenever your screen is off. So the first one here, we've got double tap to wake. So basically if the screen is off, double tap the screen, it will wake it up. The next thing is music control. So basically if you draw 2 lines with 2 fingers, that will play or pause your music. Or if you draw an arrow this way, it will skip onto the next track, or if you put it the opposite way, the arrow the opposite way, then it will go back to your previous track. So now I don't have any music on this, but we'll just go with the standard ringtones or preloaded music that's already in here. So let's go here. Oh no, it's not here, sorry. Here? Yeah, okay. So the music's on. I'm going to turn my screen off. So if I want to pause this, you can see that pauses the music. If I want the music to play again, that puts the music back on. If I want to skip the track, skips on to the next track. Or if I want to go back to the previous track, then basically I just do it the opposite way. Let's just pause that. So handy and easy to do. Okay, so let's see what the next option is. Okay, so draw a no. You can set this up for a few different things. Like here you've got open camera, open front camera, record a video, torch on, open shelf, and you can even open certain applications. Well, not certain applications, any application you have on your phone basically. So for the O, I've just got it to open my camera. Okay, very easy to do. The next one is, I think it's a V. Oh yeah, so draw a V on the screen to, I've set it to turn the torch on. So draw a V, the torch is on, and if you draw a V again, the torch is off. Simple as that. For the S, I selected it for Salesforce. Now you don't have to go, because it's an S, open an S application. You can get it to do anything really. So just for this demonstration purpose only, I've took an S. So S opens my Salesforce. Easy enough. Let's go back. draw an M, I've got it to open the maps. Within certain applications you can get it to do a bit more. Like for the maps, I could get it to actually direct me straight to my home, or I could select that for my work address directions. But again, just for demonstration purposes only, I have selected it just to open the map. So let's do an M, and that opens your maps. Okay. Next thing we've got, just to actually show you that, like for M, you can also get it to do like open a new message. There's so many options that you have with the gestures on the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 5T. It's awesome. And then draw W, let's get that to open WhatsApp. So let's draw a W on the screen. And there we go, that opens my WhatsApp. Perfect. So if this is something that you found helpful in any way whatsoever, then give my video a little like. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If there's any questions, drop them down in the comments section below. If you want to see more videos like this and you enjoyed it, then subscribe to my channel, because I aim on getting a lot more videos out this year. Until next time, guys, you've been listening to Supreme Guru. Peace.